So hello guys, welcome back to the channel, and in this video we are reviewing a brand new UI, that is One UI. Now my daily driver, that is Samsung Galaxy A52, has received One UI update recently, that is from One UI 5 to One UI 6, and in this video we will cover everything that Samsung has introduced in their new UI version. So if you are planning to buy a Samsung phone, or if you have a Samsung phone, or even if you are curious that how One UI looks or interacts, or if you are waiting for One UI 6 to arrive on your device, then you can definitely watch this video. And if none of that applies to you, even then you can watch this video, and that will support my channel and that will support me. So let's continue with the video. Now as you can see, Samsung has introduced a brand new notification panel, and they have ditched their one hand operation kind of thing, like where you could operate anything with one hand. And now they are back to the previous kind of UI, like which used to require two hands operating. So yeah, you can't really use one hand to reach the Wi-Fi toggle or Bluetooth toggle anymore. So yeah, there's that. But in the end, I think it looks a bit more artistic, and it is a breath of fresh air in my opinion. The SIM card toggle has also moved from the top part of the notification panel to the bottom part of the notification panel. So yeah, you can switch the calls and all that stuff with one hand. There are no problems, and I think it is for the better that they switched it like that, especially for me, because I switch the SIM cards a lot, especially for the data. Now talking about the lock screen, as usual Samsung offers a lot of options, a lot of customizations for their lock screen in every update. So yeah, if you long press your lock screen, then it will ask for your fingerprint, and you can customize pretty much anything. Now there are multiple clock options, and as you can see here, if I choose this one or this one or this one, there are bunch of clock options, like clock style options. Then you can choose this analog, then more horizontal kind of clock, and you can also choose no clock at all. You can choose this kind of clock where it tells you day and the date and the month, and obviously you can customize the color, but I like to keep it with the wallpaper. So yeah, there's that. And you can also place it anywhere on the lock screen now, like let me just pick my original one, then I'll show you. Yeah, so I think you can place it anywhere, like anywhere. If you place it right here, then it will stay here, it won't go into the corner like it used to in the One UI 5. So yeah, there's that. And this unlocks a bunch of more customization option, bunch of more creativity options. Now talking about the widgets, there are bunch more widgets, like you can see here, there is a new weather widget, and most of the time when weather is updated, there is a new animation here, where this man walks into the screen or the widget or whatever is that, and the animation of this sun with clouds and all that, this is also there, like you can see here. So yeah, as you can see here, there is this animation, it looks beautiful in my opinion. And another widget is that you can set up all the camera shortcuts right into the home screen now. Like you can see here, if I tap this, then it will straight up open into the pro mode of the camera application. You can pretty much set it up to anything like portrait, pro video, photo, night sight and all that stuff. And now that we have jumped into the camera app, let me give you a roundup. So yeah, the UI has completely changed, as you can see here, and now it is more seamless to switch between camera modes. Like you can switch right from here, 16 megapixel mode or 64 megapixel mode. It depends upon you, but yeah, it is easier to switch than ever before. And even for the front camera, I think you can see here, you can switch between many modes like 32 megapixel and 12 megapixel if you want that for some reason, and it will only be there if your camera really supports high resolution in front camera. Like you can see here, mine does, and it can switch up to 32 megapixel in front camera. So yeah, there's that. Now talking about the gallery application, obviously I'll blur it all out because this is my personal stuff, this is my primary device. So yeah, I will blur it all out, and but that won't stop me from showing off some features. In some other devices you can just tap and hold and you can switch to another app and copy paste and stuff. I don't know why, but this doesn't work on A52, but yeah, it is available on other smartphones like S22 Ultra, S23 Ultra, or even I think A54 or A53 and all those devices, but it is not available in this device. But what you can do is copy text from an image. Like you can see here, just tap this button and then you copy text from this image, and yeah, there's that. And drag and drop does work in this gallery application, but not in the way that you expect. Like you can't create a sticker out of photos in just one tap and hold, copy into WhatsApp, and then you are done. That's not how it works. But drag and hold does work in some aspect. Like if I tap and hold now, I can switch to any other application. Let's say I switch to WhatsApp, open WhatsApp, and I can drag and drop here and it works just fine, and all the photos are copied here. So yeah, there's that. It works pretty fine in my opinion. What you can't do is create those stickers which are available on more modern devices. So yeah, it is not available in this particular device. So yeah, there's that. Now one more important feature that has been introduced in this update is this Bixby text call. Now what this is for is when you receive a call, maybe a spam call or something like that, and you don't really want to answer it, but you don't want to like risk it because it may be an important call or it may be an spam call. So what you can do is, what you can ask Bixby to answer the call for you, and obviously it will be through TTS. Like you can see here, you can select the response that you want Bixby to say, and then it will say on your behalf like why are you calling and all that stuff. Like you can see here, answer call without saying a word. Bixby will ask the caller why they are calling. You will see what they say in text chat, then you can type or tap the response that Bixby will read aloud to the caller. So it only works in English as of now. It doesn't work in Hindi. It does work in some other languages, like let me show you. So it does work in some other languages like Dutch and Espanol, French, then Italy and Portuguese, and I think these are all the languages, but there's no support for Hindi. So yeah, there's that. This is the new video editing app that Samsung has introduced with One UI 6. Now what you can do is add text or add a sticker, but I think Samsung will add more features in this editing app in the future. But as of now, I think some of the other apps are just better, like Power Director or KineMaster. In future they will add more features, I think, but for now it is like, if you don't have internet to download an application like Power Director or KineMaster or whatever, and you have to edit a video, then this can be handy for some reason. But yeah, it's not very powerful, at least at the moment. So yeah, you can also put some soundtracks here like ragtime piano and all that stuff. So one more small and cool feature that I liked about the One UI 6 update is introducing one-time password. Now what it will do is, like for example, your friend is asking for your hotspot, but you don't trust them. You know that once you give them your hotspot password, and they will just automatically connect it the next time you enable your hotspot, and then they will just use all of your internet. So the solution to that problem is a one-time password. So if you enable the hotspot and you come into this one-time password, and obviously if you don't want to give the one-time password either, you can definitely just use the QR code, and there's that. And those were all the features that I could discover in this One UI 6. I have been reviewing this, I have been using this for like 2 days, I think, not even 2 days, like 1.5 days. These are all the features that I could discover, and if you have discovered some other features that are not covered in this video, definitely pop them in the comment section and I will be grateful for the feature introduction. And yeah, there will be another separate video for the good lock modules. So yeah, and they are pretty extensive, so yeah, it is not possible to cover them in just a single video. So yeah, there's that. And on that note, I think that's pretty much it. And if you like this video, then give it a like, and if you want some more content like this, then subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye now.